Alright, so next message which we are going to see now, free format message. So okay, I found a note by discussing with you. So in free format messages, there is no restriction that how what you can put it inside your tabs. Okay, and if some information is missing and that information you want to ask to the creditor, that time you can utilize this free format message. There is only very simple texture of this free format message. Okay, the MT119 is free format message used for communication between banks when there is no other standardized message format available. I just now said if no standard is available, you can use it. It can be used for various purposes such as inquiries, additional information related, and transaction format queries. So simple queries also you can ask why my payment is late. Okay, and you can send the payment like this. So this is a simple transaction flow message. It can be used for asking the queries, which is MT19. This is very less popular message, and there is no um, significance of this message unless and until if you get any particular project of working on it. Okay, normally this message also I also not use this message widely when I am using project information, project working on this. So this contains two parts: general information when bank need to send some standardized, non-standardized information that doesn't fit into message type. Okay, because we have particular message type we have to send, right? 32A should be amount and other fields. Okay, so we can send it by simple text message. Then transaction inquiries, the following of the status of the payment or other reason. If you already sent payment and if you are not getting proper response of your payment back or payment credited, then follow up messages can be also sent, which is called now MT19. This is free format message MT199. So what it is normally contain, it's the format of this. Okay, normally the same format which already been sent, sender bank, sender big. Okay, sender big is here, then your receiver big here, and in that it's inbound payment, so it is MT199. MT199 should be mentioned here, and this is 20 new reference number, and the reference number of MT earlier message sent we can put, but now this is important. We have to put field 79, whatever you can put it here, that please provide the payment reference of this one, please provide. Okay, so this is as good as your simple message of your MT199. We are going to see one example from our Swift guidelines as well. These two fields we know very common now. The main content of this message is where sender can include any improved text format message, and inside that one asking for specific payment information. Okay, so bank A, the real world example is bank has sent payment to bank B but hasn't received the confirmation. To inquire about the status of the payment, bank A sent MT199, which is this message bank A said 199, and in its 79 field it can code that what is happened with my payment reference number. So asking for update and what is happened with my payment reference number. So this can be a follow-up message can be sent from your MT199. So it's a simple message of MT199. Simple is same thing is mentioned here as well. Free format message MT199. Same thing is mentioned here, used by financial institution to send or receive information for which another message type is not applicable. Yes. And the category digit not required. Format specification of this message. Two mandatory fields are here. The narrative means why we are sending the payment. The M79 field, this is the new field we introduced here. And network validity, there is no network validity tool for this one. Usage rule. Usage rules are MT199, MT299, MT9 are related references that contain unique end-to-end transaction reference number. Maybe it copied in the field of 121. So when you are sending, maybe saying may in our example we not see, but it will be maybe copied in 121 in example. Also in Swift GPI customer credit transfer, this is service use 199 information. It can be used for your global Swift GPI for your tracking of payment as well using the MT103 payment service system. That's one of the rule can be invoked for this one. Then specification of the payment. Field 20 and field 20 we are no variable now. I will just open your field 19 narrative of this payment. So this field contains free format message. If this payment is used, category 1 or category 2 message, 6 characters, okay, and 199 narrative. If this message used in category 1 and category 2, and if this fixed 6 character in line 1 contain character like reject, return, this is a mandatory to follow the payment reject guideline. So I think this rule is not applicable here. We are sending pure simple plain empty narrative rule here.